Wilton Hunt over here. And a client reached out and was a little bit frustrated about Yelp. Why in the world would Yelp filter out their reviews? And let me kind of go over why. So first of all, Yelp is very, very public about this. They do filter out, they do filter out about 22% of the reviews. Again, Yelp is a public traded company now, so they do list these stats out there. They do filter out 22%, and 7% will be removed right off the bat. So it's very safe to say, about 30% of reviews will not be showing up. So what does this mean again? So typically if you go on your Yelp account, and you will see that your reviews will be surfaced. But as you scroll down, you will see a section that says, number of reviews that are currently, not recommended. This just means these reviews got filtered out. And Yelp is very, very public about this, Buying Yelp advertisement gets you no special treatment. And this is a automated filter. There's no human being within Yelp that's sitting there and trying to figure out, is this a real one or is this a fake review, or should this be filtered out or not? And they do filter out both positive and negative reviews, by the way. They do filter out negative reviews as well. But again, this is just a temporary filter. So don't be outrageously happy that once that negative review got filtered out, you still need to do something about it, because it might come back and hunt you. And same thing with the positive reviews that got filtered out, it's just temporarily. So why would Yelp filter out reviews? The simplest reason here is to stop fake reviews from happening. And it's very, very conservative filter. Conservative means if it's not a frequent Yelp user, they call them frequent Yelpers, then it will temporarily filter out those reviews. Once that person started to use their Yelp account again, it will be surfaced. So this is a way to stop business owners from opening up a bunch of fake accounts, lead themselves 5-star reviews, and to give their competitors negative reviews. It's going to be very hard to maintain, let's say 20 fake accounts, So once those 20 accounts, they are no longer active, those reviews being left, they will be filtered out. So they have to, it's almost impossible to use that many accounts at the same time. So that's why Yelp filter out reviews. Is it fair? Yeah, it's not overly fair, but your competitors experience the same thing. Their reviews are getting filtered out as well. So it basically levels the playing field. Is the only thing that you can do about this is just do good quality work and get more reviews on Yelp. And more of them are going to be staying up there. Again, stats is, that according to Yelp, about 30% of those will be showing. 71% will be showing. Okay? So that's why Yelp filters out reviews. And my bet is down the line, other review systems like Google, they might follow suit with the same filter as well. It's overly conservative in the right way, I will say.